What is something we all share in common? Something like a common denominator. Something you and I both have. The answer? We all share one home. The planet Earth. That serves as a nest of rich biodiversity. A home full of life and natural resources. A place wherein all living creatures live in harmony and peace. But because of human activities like deforestation, coal mining, smoke belching, and improper waste disposal, this resulted to a global problem that we call climate change. A problem everyone in this world is facing. But how does it really happen? Activities like deforestation, smoke belching, improper waste disposal, coal mining, and smoke from factories produces gases like carbon dioxide, CFCs, methane, nitrous oxide and water vapor, which can be harmful when it accumulates inside the Earth's atmosphere, causing heat to be trapped inside, making the Earth warmer and warmer, causing our normal temperature to rise. Which results to a ton of things we are experiencing right now, like melting of polar ice caps, which causes sea level rise, extreme heat that may cause big forest fires, stronger rains that will make floods higher than ever. Our normal climate will change drastically, and will affect all living creatures inside of it. But we can still make things happen. In our own little ways. We can start by planting more trees that will produce cleaner air. Let's recycle, and as much as possible say no to single-use plastic like utensils, plastic bottles and straws, that can pollute our seas. To reduce smoke and air pollution, instead of using cars, why not try biking? Reduce your energy consumption. Open our windows and let natural light in, save energy and save resources, and use energy efficient appliances. The Earth is everything that we got. It is something we all share, something we must protect, love and value. We can do it. Our small efforts can contribute to big changes. We only have one home. Let's save it all together, and help the fight against climate change.